Page 22. Skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. A. Read, then answer. How scouting started.
In 1908, Robert Baden-Powell was working in England when he wrote a book called Scouting for Boys. When boys and girls read it, many of them wanted to become scouts. The book showed them how to be safe and confident in the woods. They learned how to camp, hike, and find animal tracks. They also learned how to identify trees and build a campfire. Today, there are groups in 218 countries. They teach camping, sports, and many other activities. Scouting is now over 100 years old, and more young people become scouts every year.
1.
What did Robert Baden-Powell do in 1908?
2.
How many countries have scouting groups?
3.
What are 3 things scouts learned from Robert Baden-Powell's book?
Page 22. C. Listen and number. 1.
In 1908, Robert Baden-Powell was working in England when he wrote a book called Scouting for Boys.
2.
They learned how to camp, hike, and find animal tracks.
3.
They also learned how to identify trees and build a campfire.
4.
Today there are groups in 218 countries. They teach camping, sports, and many other activities.
Page 23. Project. B. Listen. Then talk about your trip.
What did you do when you were at camp?
I saw a deer. I also built a campfire and roasted fish.
How did you feel when you looked at the stars at night?
I felt sleepy.